Hey everyone, I'm Hannah, and I'm so excited to tell you about BAREPRO Glow Highlighter. It has these mineral pearls that give you a gorgeous glow, and it lasts up to 16 hours. It also has clean, natural ingredients that help to reduce the look of fine lines, minimize the look of pores, and give you a blurred, soft focus effect. I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can use BAREPRO Glow Highlighter to get the glow you want. First, I'm going to use it over my foundation. I really love using it this way to highlight different areas of my face. Start by shaking the bottle to activate the mineral pearls. Then, just pump onto your fingertip. I like to apply it anywhere light naturally hits my face, like my cheekbones, my brow bones, and the bridge of my nose. I'm going to just dot it on and blend with a brush, but you can use your fingertips if you prefer. Now I want to show you another way to use this product. But first, I have to take my makeup off. I'll be right back. Now, I'm going to mix my foundation and my highlighter together to create an all-over luminous glow. I'm going to take 1 pump of my BAREPRO Liquid Foundation and 2 pumps of my BAREPRO Glow. I'm just going to blend them together on the back of my hand. I love that I can create a different finish with my favorite foundation. Plus, it's oil-free, so it won't clog my pores. So, have fun, and pick the way you want to glow.